Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my journal. My journal is called Fleur, and it is a classic size happy planner. This is the last week of October. And well, there's still October, but it's going to be in the November section. So today we're planning for October 23rd through the 29th. I'm going to be using a brand stinking new sticker book from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. It's called Whimsical Florals. And I'm going to be using her section called Happy Mail. So these stickers are on a paper backing, but it's kind of semi-glossy, but not really glossy. I'm not sure how to explain it. They're like on glossy feel with a matte look. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to do that. I need to actually do some packing and organizing of the basement that week. So I figured that it's going to be perfect to use Happy Mail and boxes and remind myself of the stuff I need to do. Although now I just found out yesterday that they put a huge meeting that I need to be outside of my home for 2 days. So I don't know if that's going to happen anymore. But listen, you can always wish. You can always remind yourself. And every time I look at this week, I know that I plan to organize my basement, okay? So, remember when I was flipping through this book, I was saying that you can use these round stickers and cut them into fourths or half and use them as corner pieces. Well, guess who's doing exactly that? So I'm bringing a little bit of those florals into my corners, and I think that is so fun, and I can't wait to write in here. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm gonna add a whole bunch of plants and beautiful things from her because her stuff is absolutely stunning. And as always, for my journal, there's no rhyme or reason or a layout that I need to follow. It is simply whatever I want, and if I need more, I can always the page. So that's what it's going to be. Okay. Also, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm so happy you're here. And if you're coming back, as always, thank you even more, because that means that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me last time and you're back for more. So I appreciate that even more. So here we go. Like I said, the spread is going to be a little bit different because I don't know if I'm going to be adding boxes to this one. I know that Jojo has boxes in this spread and it's great, but at the same time, I was not sure that I wanted to incorporate them. I kind of wanted a free flow this time and just use a whole bunch of pens and different things and add them in and go from there. The good thing about these stickers is that you don't have to white out anything because it's barely in, like, it covers all the lines so well. I didn't have to do any of that. So super excited about that. So if you're like me and you usually cover up the lines, this one, even though it's clear, it's practically not necessary to do that. And I'm going to add more corners on this side, mostly because I really enjoy these little round stickers and being able to decorate with them. And they add so much to the corner. Like, look, this is an empty side of a page with nothing but the corners, and look how great it looks. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna add a package, clearly, right, to my spread on this side, and we're gonna work on that side for now and go from there and see what I can come up with. So I'm gonna add multiple packages because how cute. And then we're gonna work on filling up little by little with different decorations. I am loving these stickers. I am loving the quality of them. I mean, look how beautiful they look. They like pop off my page. So here we go. Oh, in case you did not know, I don't want to mislead you. I am on a PR team for Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. But I still spend my own money on these stickers. I know I'm gonna like blaze through this book so quick. I actually bought myself some more. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Even though I'm on a PR, I still spend my own money on her stickers because I love them and I can't get enough. And of course, I also got her advent calendar, so I can't share, I can't share those yet, but I can't wait to share with you guys in December. So let's go ahead and just keep going just a little bit more. I think these are so fun. Look at that. Just a happy note. Who doesn't need just a happy little note? So I'm going to go ahead and add a stamp right here. I think that's really good. I think it's super cute. So just a few more things and we're pretty much done with the spread and I just get to fill it in. Okay. And your comments, let me know if you got a book, this particular book already, if you would like one, because I think I might purchase more and give this out to you guys like closer to Thanksgiving. So probably like in a week or so I'll give it out. So if you're watching this, you are the first to know. I mean, if you made it this far with me and my blabbing or whatever it's called, you are more than entitled to know my thoughts, right? So my thoughts are that I'm going to be going through some of my stash because it is quite large of all the things beautiful, meaning stickers and maybe planners too. And I'll be giving some stuff away. So I haven't done a giveaway in such a long time. Life has been so busy, but again, I feel I am so blessed. I want to share this with you guys. So I want to also point out that this has a matching washi. Can you see that? It's so beautiful. So I'm just doing a strip on the side. I think that's gonna really, really work out for my purposes. So I'm just gonna cut it. I have these pens with knives in them, but I need a ruler because clearly I'm Mrs. Crooked, okay? I can't even do tape straight. Okay, but look how beautiful this is. Like how amazing. Everything matches, everything is pretty. And I get to write in this. I know you guys. I'm so excited. So I don't know what to do with this half right now of the circle, but I just might save it for next time because who doesn't need more of these, right? So I'm just gonna find that area, plop it back in there, and there you go. I have more for next time. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I really enjoyed that one. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about these stickers and the washi. I know it's not very seasonal appropriate, but you know what? Like as much as I do seasons, once in a while my brain goes, enough of the Halloween, and then it goes into like cutesy, very beautiful mode. So that's all I had. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.